Oh my God, 977 for the pulling permit. May I do it myself? May I pull the permit myself? Why I should pay you guys money for do the easy job? Can you explain this question, Matt, please?
Sure, I can tell you. Actually, anything anyone can do, but it's up to how long it takes for you. As you remember, when I came to the company, how long I make one application for the permit? 1 week. Because
1 week. Just for the writing one application.
Yeah, because I was needed to learn how to make a plan, how to make drawings, how to find specifications for specific kind of units, and the hardest thing, how to work with the city, because each city have their own way of working. Someone has it on online portal, other city have it only by mail, another city have it only by email, so it's easy to be confused.
Some of them, they're working only working place, so you're supposed to go to their place for the city hall and ask them, or just write the application by hand.
Yeah.
No any other ways, and pay only cash or check. They are not accept any credit cards.
And I remember how you were drawing this big plan from your hand.
Just by hand, yeah.
That was terrible.
Yeah.
I am so sorry about you, Adam.
So the thing is, one customer asked me, or two of them, oh, I will pull the permit myself, because we are charging for the paperwork only $200, and it's even very cheap, I will say. And she maybe spent about 3 weeks for the pulling the permit and running the whole process by herself. And she asked me about like 5 to 10 questions on every step, what she's done with the application, with drawing, with the hearse testing, whatever. So after she's done, after she passed the inspection, after our installation in first visit, I asked her how much she was enjoying the process and will she repeat again the pulling permit process. She said never. I've learned a lot what it's like, what it's like worth more than any money, because it's really kind of pain in the ass job, because I don't like bureaucracy. Matt very like bureaucracy. He like all this paperwork. I am HVAC contractor, so I love to do my work like installation, wiring, electrical, and etc. But the paperwork I'd rather to trust to the professional. For example, this is why we are hired any like a separate guy who do the inspection and permitting process, and I just manage him.
Yeah, maybe it's easier for me because I used to work as a lawyer in Russia, and that's something very similar.
For the pulling the permits, it needs to be a lawyer, because, for example, the MET in our vision is like advocacy in the city, which is face of our company.
So what is important too is that when you fill out the form for the application, it says that the one who apply, he guarantee that he follow up the code during installation. So it's a real tricky situation when you are not the contractor and you apply for the permit, but the law requires you to be responsible for the installation, which is from my opinion, which is very weird.
So applicant, he is responsible what we are doing. It's like
yeah, and since
funny stuff.
Yeah, and since owner doesn't have worker compensation insurance and liability insurance, he seemed to be not able to hire anybody for this job if he is the applicant.
Yeah. As you can do application by yourself, they realize you can do the job yourself. So if you are pulling the permit yourself, Do the job yourself. Why are you calling us?
Yeah, that's really
So-
weird. But
so
it's
the thing is, I don't. We are not doing the plumbing, for example, and we are not doing the drywall. We are better to push this drywall work to the professional. We are not touching any drywall. If we are leave any holes in the drywall or sheetrock after our installation, we will call to the professional who will take care about your drywall, but not us. Thank you. So the idea is trust to professional, not to the fools. I didn't tell what you're fools. So something more?
So yeah, save your time and just let us make the permit for you, because we do it.
But you can all the time to try yourself. Good luck and see you in the next video. Bye.
You sound very sarcastic. Adam.